This is Blaupunkt Vacuum Cleaner with water filtration. Vacuum cleaners with water filtration are a very interesting alternative to traditional vacuum cleaners. So if you're struggling with allergies, this is a good solution if you do not want to change bags in the vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner by Blaupunkt offers wet and traditional dry vacuuming, during which the dirt enters the dust container with a capacity of 20 liters, which works well when cleaning a larger apartment. The excellent suction power, reaching 20 kilopascals, is provided by a powerful motor with the nominal power of 1500 watts. The maximum power which it reaches is 2020 watts at a very high load. This suction power ensures comfortable cleaning of flat surfaces as well as carpets. So let's check out and see what's in the box. And I have to be honest, once I opened this box, I thought there was a snake inside because the reinforced hose looks like a snake. So if you are afraid of snakes or anything else, just skip the next 30 seconds of the video. So if you ever watched a documentary, Animals Are Beautiful People, you know the scene when a monkey faints after he lifts a rock and sees a snake. And that is how I felt. I had to take 5 minutes to calm my nerves. After some time, I finally managed to continue shooting this video. So we have the reinforced hose that I won't be mentioning ever again. We have no more surprises. We have the universal floor brush nozzle. There is a silver metal telescopic tube. There is the additional filter. Then we have the vacuum bag if you decide to do traditional dry vacuuming. And lastly, we have our vacuum cleaner. It's a bit heavy, weighing around 5.8 kilograms, and if you add water to it, it will be heavy. There's also some perfumes that you can add to the water. I'm just gonna remove the bag, and there it is. It has a 5-meter power cable, which is very good. There are some manuals. And you can easily open the water tank. There are 2 clutches on the side, and you lift the entire top of the cleaner and then put some water in. In contrast to traditional vacuum cleaners, a vacuum cleaner with water filtration guarantees that impurities will reach the tank filled with water. And thanks to this, even the smallest particles such as dust will not return to the room and will not float in the air, adversely affecting the well-being and health of those present. Thank you for watching.